In this video, we will create the avatar from reference photos. Like we need 5 to 20 photos to get the best result. I will show you. Let's open our art flow. This is the art flow after just open the website and sign in with your Google account, and then create your AI actor. Then select male, adult, give it a name, and then just open your 5 photos. Maybe I will use my 5 photos from here, 2, 3, 4, and maybe this one has a 5. You can add more, like I can add all of these. And we can start training. And it will accept the photos. Like yes, if you want to speed up, you can click on the speed up premium. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, otherwise it will take maybe half a day. Got it? And now we will wait for a few hours. After that we will start from here. Thank you so much. Hello, and welcome again. Our AI avatar is ready from a reference image. If you click create image, it will create a few free images. Like it already created these images, if you see here. And it is using the reference of the photo we created. Like it is a professional headshot of Faisal. Okay, you can say that professional half body photo of Faisal seated in a studio set with 3-point lighting, and we can also add that there are props of film shooting and a mic in front of Faisal. Yeah, on the mic on table. Okay, and you can also check the other settings here. Like we will use this one, the style. I am using a realistic one. Maybe you can use the other one. Just click on generate, and it will generate the required photo. And after that, we can just upscale, and we can use it for our video. For upscaling, you will get the video in after the next video. Meanwhile, you can check the quality of images. It is more realistic. You can see there. Yes, it is with the watermark, but you can use it. Like you can see his videos. Simply download with the watermark in After Effects and in other software. If you scale it in CapCut, when we scale the video, it will automatically remove the watermark. Thank you. See you in the next video.